Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If today is the first day of you coming across this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you get notified anytime we upload new video. Alright, without wasting much of your time, Verydarkman said Ksolo has been arrested and for questioning. Ksolo is one of the bloggers that diverted people's attention towards justice for Mohbad case. He channeled people's attention into Naira Marley and Sam Larry, saying that Sam Larry and Naira Marley is involved in what happened to Mohbad, in the crime of Mohbad. He went on to say that in a Channels television interview. When Channels television interviewed him, he said that Naira Marley should come back to Nigeria and surrender himself, that he is sure that Naira Marley knows what happened to Mohbad. And that was the agenda they were pushing that led everybody to think towards Sam Larry and Naira Marley without thinking of what led to the cry of Mohbad. Now the court came out to tell us that Mohbad cried through the injection the nurse gave to Mohbad. But Verydarkman is curious to know what happened inside Mohbad house that led to nurse giving Mohbad the injection, because something must have triggered them to call nurse to give Mohbad injection. And he went on to say that now is the real time for justice for Mohbad. Here as he said it from Verydarkman.